Today I'm going to show you guys how to find and utilize the spectrum scanning effect. Go up to the Effect tab, scroll down to Scanning, and then click and drag it down to the timeline. Bring it to the beginning of the clip, and now elongate it to the end of the clip. Remember, it's called the spectrum scanning effect. And now we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab, and we can mess with the atmosphere. I kind of want to decrease the atmosphere or find like a nice spot where it's not too blurry and shiny. Let's decrease the strength. Let's put it there. Let's do the glow a little bit more than half. Range. That's so cool. Wow. We'll do the range like that. Maybe decrease the glow even more like this. Increase the speed, or let's decrease the speed. And let's do it. Let's check it out. And there you have the spectrum scanning effect. Thank you guys for watching.